हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू बी एन बाय IAS। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे अबाउट इंडिसेस एंड रिपोर्ट्स इन न्यूज़ फॉर UPSC CSE प्रीलिम्स 2023। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। तो आज जिन इंडिसेस एंड रिपोर्ट्स की हम बात करेंगे वो हैं ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स, वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम इंडेक्स, इंटरनेशनल इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी इंडेक्स, वर्ल्ड हैप्पीनेस रिपोर्ट एंड ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स। ओके, तो सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं अबाउट ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स। सो ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स हैव बीन रिलीज्ड सिंस 1990 and have explored different themes through the human development approach. Okay, and it is published by the Human Development Report Office for the United Nations Development Program or UNDP. Okay, and the goal of Human Development Index is to contribute towards the expansion of opportunities, choices and freedom. Okay, and the theme for Human Development Report 2021-22 is Uncertain Times, Unsettled Lives, Shaping Our Future in a World in Transformation. Okay, and HDI is a composite index that measures average achievement in human development taking into account 4 indicators. कौन से? Life expectancy at birth, expected years of schooling, mean years of schooling and GNI or gross national income. Okay, and India ranked 132nd among 191 countries and territories on the 2021 Human Development Index or HDI. Okay, and the decline in the country's performance from its previous level was on account of a fall in life expectancy. Okay, next है हमारा World Press Freedom Index. Okay, so recently the 21st edition of the World Press Freedom Index has been released. कौन सा edition? 21st. And this index is compiled annually by Reporters Without Borders. किसके द्वारा कंपाइल की जाती हैं? Annually, Reporters Without Borders. Okay, and it sheds light on major and often radical changes linked to political, social and technological upheavals. Okay, the 2023 World Press Freedom Index evaluated the environment for journalism in 180 countries and territories and is published on World Press Freedom Day. और ये कब होता है? 3rd May को. Okay, Norway is ranked first for the 7th year running. ठीक है, फर्स्ट रैंक किसको मिली है? नॉर्वे को. And India's ranking has slipped to 161 out of 180. इंडिया की रैंकिंग क्या है? 161 out of 180. And the last 3 places are occupied by Asian countries, Vietnam, China and North Korea. Okay, अब नेक्स्ट हम बात करते हैं अबाउट इंटरनेशनल इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी इंडेक्स 2023. सो इंडिया रैंक्ड 42nd among 55 leading global economies on the recently released International Intellectual Property Index. ठीक है, इंडिया की रैंक क्या है? 42nd. And if we talk about International Intellectual Property Index, then it is released annually by the US Chamber of Commerce. किसके द्वारा रिलीज किया जाता है? US Chamber of Commerce के द्वारा. And the index evaluates IP rights in 55 global economies across 50 unique indicators. कितने indicators? 50 unique indicators. Okay, and the indicators include patent and copyright policies to commercialization of IP assets and ratification of international treaties. Okay, and the index aims to help nations navigate towards a brighter economic future marked by greater innovation, creativity and competitiveness. ठीक है, and the United States is ranked first, followed by the UK and France. Okay, and India is ranked 42nd in the index. ठीक है, And if we talk about intellectual property, then it refers to a creations of the mind such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs and symbols, names and images used in commerce. Okay, and intellectual property rights or IPR refers to legal rights given to the inventor or creator to protect his invention or creation for a certain period of time. And there are several types of intellectual property protection like patent, copyright, trademark, etc. ओके, अब नेक्स्ट हम बात करते हैं अबाउट वर्ल्ड हैप्पीनेस रिपोर्ट 2023. So recently, the 11th edition of the World Happiness Report 2023 was released. Okay, and this report is published by the United Nations Sustainable Development Solutions Network. किसके द्वारा पब्लिश की गई है? यूनाइटेड नेशन सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट सॉल्यूशंस नेटवर्क. ओके, and this report was released on the occasion of International Day of Happiness, annually observed on 20th March. And the first edition of this report was published in the year 2012. And now if we talk about key points of the report, then a total of 137 countries have been ranked in this report. Okay, and the report considered factors including income, health, emotional support, freedom of choice, generosity, and the absence of corruption to map life evolution as it sought to curate the list. Okay, on that basis, the countries were ranked from top to bottom on a 3-year average between 2020 to 2022. Okay, European nation Finland was announced as the most happy among its peers for the 6th consecutive years. Okay, and India is ranked at 126, while India's neighbor Nepal are featured at 78, China at 64 and Pakistan at 108. Okay, अब next हम बात करते हैं about Global Hunger Index 2022. So, Global Hunger Index is jointly published by Concerned Worldwide and Wealth Hunger Health. Okay, and this index is a tool for comprehensively measuring and tracking hunger at global, regional and national levels. Okay, and GHI scores are based on the values of 4 component indicators. कौन से? Unnourishment, child stunting, child wasting and child mortality. Okay, and if we talk about highlights of the Global Hunger Index 2022, then China and Kuwait are the Asian countries that are ranked at the top of the list. Okay, and 17 countries have been collectively ranked between 1 and 17 with the score of less than 5. Okay, and India has slipped to the 107th position in the Global Hunger Index in 2022, down from the 101st position in 2021. And out of the 121 countries on the Global Hunger Index, India is ranked behind his neighbors Nepal at 81, Pakistan 99, Sri Lanka 64 and Bangladesh 84. Okay, तो ये थी indices and reports and news for UPSC CSA Prelims 2023. So that is all for today. Stay connected with BN by IAS for more such important videos. Thank you.